Well, accused killer Luigi Mangione is back in court today for a fourth day. His defense attorneys are fighting to get key evidence thrown out in a state murder case. An officer who searched Mangione's backpack took the stand today. As ABC's Rena Roy reports, she testified what she found during his arrest at a Pennsylvania McDonald's.
Accused CEO killer Luigi Mangione once again in New York State Supreme Court for week 2 of a high-stakes hearing in his state murder case that will decide what evidence a jury can see when the trial begins. Today, Mangione coming face-to-face with the officers who arrested him this time last year at that McDonald's in Altoona, Pennsylvania. Prosecutors calling police officer Christy Wasser to the stand, who testified that she searched Mangione's backpack when he was arrested and removed a pocket knife and a loaf of bread. Moments later, she said she found a fully loaded magazine wrapped in underwear, noting the bag was heavy and that she was concerned a bomb could be inside.
The weight of the bag, the belief that there was a bomb inside, those are going to be arguments that the prosecution is going to push for to say this is why they did not need a warrant. There was an emergency or exigent circumstance.
Defense attorneys argue because no search warrant was used at that time, that evidence should be thrown out, including the 3D printed gun and notebook with Mangione's alleged writings that were found in a further search of the bag about 15 minutes later. Wasser said she also discovered a slip of paper with alleged escape routes from Pittsburgh, which is about an hour-and-a-half drive from Altoona. She said she also found a phone in a Faraday bag, which is designed to hide a phone's signal. Prosecutors asking Wasser, did any of your supervisors say stop, go get a search warrant? She responded no.
What's going to happen is going to be an argument between what was said and what was done, and the judge will decide, whether or not to suppress those items.
Prosecutors argue that all evidence was collected lawfully. Mangione has pleaded not guilty to all charges against him. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.
And Mangione's defense team is also hoping to get statements that he made to police excluded. They say police did not read him his Miranda rights until about 20 minutes into questioning him. The hearing could last all week.